Hey folks, this is Harris Kenny, founder of OutboundSync, and I'm excited to introduce our latest feature. It's called Reply Relay, and we've solved for this silo problem that emerges when you're sending emails from a secondary domain in a Smartlead or an email bison. You get a reply back. Now, we've always handled getting that data into your CRM, into HubSpot, Salesforce, ADIO. No problem. But what about your sales rep? Where do they handle the reply from? Reply Relay solves for this. It allows your sales rep to stay inside of Gmail, Outlook, or whatever your email provider or mail client is, so they don't even have to log into the CRM to handle the replies. Meanwhile, all the campaign data, the campaign name, campaign ID, lead category or disposition, sent emails, replies, opens, clicks, all of that lands in the CRM like always. So let me move myself out of the way, show you how it works. Now, I want you to just remember the context. We have a company, Pueblo Machine Company. They set up a secondary domain, pueblomachinco.com. That's the thing that's actually starting these new conversations, this top of funnel, net new lead flow. Emailing a prospect, golden nugget pastries. In the middle, with OutboundSync, you can set up this reply relay. It's a set of logical operators. Basically, when reply comes in, then, or if reply comes in, then, auto respond back and CC the sales rep's primary inbox, which maintains that continuity of the thread. First sent email, first reply back, sales reply. And then from that point forward, the sales rep is going to handle it inside of their primary inbox. The data flow here is pretty simple. You get these events in from Smartlead and Email Bison. We drop it into the CRM, and then we also relay the reply into the sales rep's primary inbox. So I'll just show you. I've got Thunderbird here. It's a desktop client. So the email is sent from that secondary domain, and you can see that Jane receives it. Hey, Jane, I'm reaching out, blah, blah, blah. Jane replies back. She replies back to that Go Pueblo Machine Co address because that's the secondary sending address. What OutboundSync does is it then picks up the thread and CCs the sales rep's primary address. Hey, moving this over to my other mailbox. We can pick it up from there. Looking forward to continuing the conversation, or whatever you want the logic to say in here. You can see that this conversation is sitting in the master inbox in Email Bison and Smartlead. So you have that copy there. It's running through their infrastructure, through the connected secondary domains on those platforms. And you can see that it's dropping into HubSpot and Salesforce as well. You've got the native email activity types and the timeline events in HubSpot, and you've got the custom properties in HubSpot. You even have association up to the company object. And then in Salesforce, same thing. You can have email activity types or tasks with configurable subject lines, custom fields, relation up to the account object. Or, you can do accounts and contacts, or you can do leads. And once that connected inbox is carrying the conversation moving forward, your normal data sync is going to handle it from there. So we're super excited about this. I think it's going to solve a real disconnect that's happening between these scaled outbound motions and then the sales reps that actually ultimately carry those deals forward. And check it out. You can go to outboundsync.com, book a demo. I'm happy to show you how it works in greater detail. Look forward to hearing from you soon. And we're going to catch the next one because we've got a lot more coming. Thanks.